Diving into the automotive arena of 2023, the Honda CR-V emerges as a charismatic contender in the compact crossover segment, adopting a disposition reminiscent of the sleek Volkswagen Tiguan. However, the CR-V isn't just rolling with the conventional crowd, its hybrid iteration places it firmly in the ring against rivals like the tenacious Toyota RAV4, the audacious Ford Escape, and the spirited Hyundai Tucson. Is the 2023 Honda CR-V more than just a passing fancy? Absolutely. It's akin to a hearty soup, satisfying when you're simply in the mood, but remarkably outstanding when you require that extra dose of capability. Loaded with an abundance of standard safety and convenience features, and boasting a cabin that could host a symphony, the revamped CR-V steps up to the plate with a commendable TCC rating of 6.8 out of 10. Keep an eye out, as this score could ascend even higher once the crucible of crash testing has been endured. Behold the metamorphosis the 2023 Honda CR-V has undergone. A complete overhaul has graced this model year, accompanied by retuned powertrains that breathe out fewer emissions. The pièce de résistance, however, is the advent of the CR-V hybrid, a dominion of enhanced potency. Fashioned with an air of understated elegance, the redesigned CR-V doesn't shout for attention, but rather beckons with a subtle allure. Honda, in its infinite wisdom, has ingeniously concealed the larger dimensions within a design that leans more towards blending in rather than jutting out. Peer inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that garners a nod for its unembellished layout and nuanced intricacies. A solid 6 on the style meter. Performance-wise, don't expect the retuned Turbo 4 to incite a flurry of heart palpitations among drivers. Yet, this suits the majority of CR-V aficionados just fine. The non-hybrid variant may tread a middle path in the performance domain, but the revamped hybrid variant, with its poised and refined powertrain, nudges the needle upwards to a 6, especially considering that Honda has aspirations of pedaling half of its CR versus in this electrified form. Behold as the CR-V expands its girth to almost mid-size crossover proportions, meticulously tailored to accommodate your storage earnings. The interior landscape is a realm of organizational wonders, sporting an expansive armrest console, capacious door pockets, and a cargo floor that knows no bounds. With an additional 2.7 inches in length and a 1.5-inch boost to the wheelbase, passenger comfort and cargo carriage ascend to new pinnacles. Nestled within are front seats that cradle you in comfort, rear seats that could moonlight as thrones, a cargo bay that stretches to infinity, and room enough for a quintet of travelers. This symphony of spaciousness warrants an applause-worthy 9 on the scale. Honda, having started with the Civic, has taken its dash materials on a polished journey, yielding a delightful melange of shadowed metallic mesh trim, supple rubberized plastics, and authentic climate control dials. The result is an ambience that's as understated as it is serene, seamlessly harmonizing with the discreet yet copious stowage pockets dispersed throughout. Safety, a paramount concern in this modern automotive epic, finds its stalwart champion in the redesigned 2023 Honda CR-V. While the NHTSA's crash tests are yet to cast their scrutinizing gaze, the FS has already crowned it with the coveted Top Safety Pick Plus laurel, thanks to its prowess in crash simulations and commendable standard headlights. The CR-V is no shrinking violet in the realm of driver assist technology, bundling an arsenal that leaves no room for options. These laurels of safety culminate in a commendable 7, with the promise of another tally pending the NHTSA's eventual critique. Delving into features, the base LX rendition makes a triumphant return for budget-conscious shoppers, unfurling its offerings for those who seek frugality without compromising on utility. The X variant, flanked by heated front seats and a power-adjustable driver's throne, beckons at a premium of $4,500, weighing in at $32,905. Beneath the $30,000 mark, the LX stuns with a 7.0-inch touchscreen that plays nice with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, flanked by tactile knobs for sonic dominance. A 7.0-inch digital instrument cluster dances across the lineup, and push-button ignition adds a dash of modern flair. LED headlights slice through the night with style. In the grand symphony of features and value, the CR-V strikes a chord, gathering an 8 in its harmonious embrace. On the warranty front, the 3-year/36,000 basic coverage is indeed rudimentary, sans any provisions for scheduled maintenance. And when it comes to quenching its thirst, the Honda CR-V proves an adept sipper. The Turbo 4 engine echoes last year's EPA rating with an encore of 28 miles per gallon city, 34 miles per gallon highway, and a harmonious 30 miles per gallon combined. Opting for the all-wheel drive configuration surrenders a single combined MPG, a modest trade for the extra grip it confers.